Alright guys, Paul here again with another video. Today I'm back at the spot where you seen my axial rift in the last video. Hope you all enjoyed that. But today what I've brought, I've not had it out for a little while, is my Kronos Xtr. So I'll bring that a bit closer for you to see. On the outside nothing's changed, still looks as awesome as ever for the last run. But all I've done different today is I've chucked in a million weight centre diff oil in it. So I'm hoping that'll give you a lot more snap wheelies. Not that the car was bad at them anyway, but I'm hoping it's going to give it more crazy power delivery. So we've got a lot of big flat areas around here, and we've got a few hills at the back and things. So I'm going to get on with a play, get a few jumps and stuff. Hope you enjoy the footage, and at the end we'll come back and see what we think of the difference in the oils. So yeah, hope you enjoy it. If you do, give us a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys shortly. Alright guys, that's me just finished up there. Went through 2 battery packs, going to save my other one from axial rift, have a little play off camera. But all I can say is the Kronos Xtr, I love it. It's just an amazing RC all round. But with a million diff centre fluid, it's even better, it's crazier. I mean, you've seen the hill climbs I was doing there, the back flips, the control, air control seems even better now with that diff fluid. I feel like I'm getting more even balance in the air. But yeah, I'm really happy with that upgrade. It was not really an upgrade as such, so it's just oil change, but nice, simple, easy thing to do. So if anybody's got one, I would recommend doing that or giving it a try for yourself to see what you think. But yeah, car never missed a beat again, just running fantastic. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that, and like I said at the start, if you like my content, please click the like button, thumbs up, subscribe and all that stuff, and I'll be back with something very soon. So take care, have a great time guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Ball out.